Hello fun and learning students. In this video we will discuss further our topic convection. Now the rising of the warm air from the lower to upper layer of the atmosphere and subsequent sinking of cool air from the upper to lower layer of the atmosphere is called convection. The heat transfer from lower to upper layer. What is the important point? From lower layer to upper layer of the atmosphere occur by this process. From lower to upper. So this is your convection. So now next one is your radiation. What is this? The process by which the atmosphere is heated due to long waves. There are two waves, long wave and short wave. But due to long waves such as terrestrial radiation, which I have discussed earlier, is called radiation. Next, your advection. The transfer of heat by the winds from one region to another is called advection. What is the process by which heat is transferred by winds? Important point is through winds. So it is known as advection. Now we have seen conduction, convection, radiation and advection. Now three important points can be elaborated in the figure given page number on 18. This figure 3.2. Here a heat, suppose a water is boiling on a source of fire here. Now here this is the temperature difference between one body to another. So the process through which it is known as conduction. Now let's take the convection. The lower level of the water gets to the upper layer of the water through like this. Through when you have observed that whenever you boil the water, then when it start to boil, the water droplets come from the lower part of the bottom to the upper part of the bottom like this. This is process from lower to upper is known as convection. And the third one is radiation. See here the direct form of energy that is from the long waves that is radiating from the source of the heat is known as radiation. So the sun, the heat, the amount of heat that comes directly from the sun is known as radiation. And advection, as I have already told you, that the transfer of heat by the wind is known as advection. So I hope you have understood the topic conduction, convection, radiation and advection. See this figure. Just keep this figure if you in your mind. You will get the idea of at least three important points: conduction, convection and radiation. And the advection is very easy. That is process of the wind. So I hope you have understood this topic. In next video we will discuss other topics. For that time being, take care of yourself, students. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day.